Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to withdraw from TikGain app. So first up, you likely cannot withdraw money from the TikGain app as it is a task scam designed to trick users rather than provide legitimate earnings. Apps that promise high returns for simple tasks like watching videos are fraudulent, your display earnings are fake, and any money that you may have deposited is likely gone. What to do now? Stop all activity immediately. Do not complete any more tasks, watch any more videos, or deposit any more of your money. The app will likely demand more money for fees and or taxes before you can supposedly withdraw your funds. But this is a lie to extract more money from you. Be vigilant with your personal information. If you give the app any personal details or financial information, monitor your accounts closely for unusual activity. Report the scam. Report the app on the store where you downloaded it. If you have lost money, report the fraud to your bank and relevant authorities in your country. Warn others. Share your experience on online forums and with friends and family to prevent others from falling victim. How to spot a scam. Offers of easy money. If a company offers high rewards for minimal effort, it is most likely a scam. Unsolicited job offers. Scammers often reach out through texts or messaging apps with job offers. Requests for upfront payments. Legitimate employers will never ask you to pay to work or withdraw earnings. Fabricated earnings. While the app may show your balance increasing, these figures are fake and designed to build trust. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.